Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2019 Toyota Highlander Platinum Hybrid. This one's black. Underneath it's a hybrid 3.5 V6 with 306 horsepower and 215 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 5-spoke wheels. All-wheel drive hybrid badging on the side of the door. Black leather interior. Panorama sunroof. Rear captain's chair. Rear climate controls, rear heated seats, third row seating, trailer hitch, Highlander hybrid limited badging, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season floor mats, fold down third row seats, keyless entry, blind spot assist, memory seats, JBL sound system, power windows, power seats, steering wheel controls, a push start ignition, navigation, surround view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, heated seats. This Highlander has 44,614 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Toyota Highlander, visit us at feldmanimports.com.